Looking for a powerful yet compact washing solution for your home or apartment? Introducing the VCJ Portable Washing Machine, designed to bring convenience, power, and peace of mind to your laundry days. With a large 18-pound capacity, this fully automatic washer easily handles clothes, bedding, and curtains for the entire family. Powered by a 380-watt motor, it delivers strong cleaning performance while keeping your electricity bills low. Its compact design, just 20 inches deep, 20 inches wide, and 34 inches tall, fits perfectly into apartments, closets, RVs, or small homes. Crafted with a durable stainless steel tub, it resists rust and wear, ensuring long-lasting reliability. Choose from 7 customized wash programs, including delicate, quick wash, and heavy duty, to care for every fabric type with ease. The fully automatic operation means you can start your wash with just a single button press. No complicated settings needed. A built-in drain pump and adapter-ready inlet hose make water setup quick and flexible, even in small spaces. The child lock feature keeps your family safe by preventing accidental changes during a wash. And thanks to advanced noise reduction technology, you'll enjoy ultra-quiet operation, perfect for day or night. Whether you're living in a studio apartment, a dorm room, or a mobile home, the VCJ Portable Washing Machine adapts effortlessly to your lifestyle. Easily wash your daily outfits, kids' clothes, bed sheets, or even heavy-duty loads, all without leaving your home. Compact, powerful, and thoughtfully designed, the VCJ Portable Washing Machine is your ultimate laundry companion for busy modern living. Get yours today and make laundry easier than ever. For more interesting videos about kitchen and home appliances products, share and subscribe channel.